What's up everyone, it's Ben from ProFixer, and I just got a package in the mail from Hakko. So I wanted to do a little unboxing. This is actually my first one to order directly from Hakko, just kind of show you, what they send, and I'll be just as surprised as you as far as, how well it's put in there or whatnot, and I'll show you some of the things that I got, and so we'll go ahead and dig right in. So on the outside, of course, just like any other box, they use some pretty cool Hakko tape, which I thought was pretty cool. Definitely makes it pop coming through the mail. We got the packing slip on the outside as well, and we're going to pull that one off. And let's see. So, American Hakko products, printing ticket. Got the 2 tips in there, and that is all that I ordered. I just ordered 2 soldering iron tips, but I'm going to show you those, and super excited to try them out. Cool. Very nice little package. Got little bubbles in there, and then got the 2 tips, I guess, right there. So we'll go throw that off to the side. Pretty cool initially. It says mixed product. This bag contains multiple part numbers. I guess they it almost looks like they're they're kind of packaged together. So that's kind of cool. I guess they got a pretty big operation going on over there. So I'm gonna pull these out and we'll see what's inside. No, yeah, they're actually heat shrinked together, so that's kind of cool. So all the Hakko stuff, it's going to be coming in they always put them in their little individual packages. We'll pull that out and kind of show you what that looks like. So this is one of the this is kind of what they come in, but this is kind of cool. They put it in here and then put in this other one as well. So maybe there are different people picking this stuff and other people packing it. But I got one of the T3102BC ones, and this is one of the it's kind of one of those beveled tips that has the flat spot on the bottom. Never actually used one before, so it seemed that they're pretty popular. Wanted to try those out and kind of see what it's all about. And the other one that I got, I saw this one on there. It looked pretty interesting. I have not heard much about this one, so this is just something that I kind of wanted to try out as well. So this is just a really small tip. It's just very sharp and pointy. This is the T3102L1s, and so super excited to try this one out as well because it's just tiny. I don't know if you can see that in the video or whatnot, but it is super tiny. And this other one is not so tiny. It's kind of bigger, but I think it'll work good for tinning pads on for like BGA style stuff like audio IC, touch IC, things like that. This one should definitely come in handy, and then this one should definitely come in handy for getting the legs on FPC connectors, because some of them, especially on the newer phones, they have components that are directly jetted right up against the pins, so it's very hard to get anything bigger in there. I would not imagine this would fit. My current one does not, and so I've been using a lot of hot air and just prepping the pads with nice little bubbles on them, and just hot airing them on. But this one should definitely get down in there. I don't think it'll transfer as much heat because it's definitely a lot smaller soldering tip. But on legs and things like that, I don't really think that that we'll need a lot of heat for those. So upcoming videos, we're going to be showing how to use these and some of the techniques that we like to use with each one, and kind of what we find best with them too, as far as the application for each tip shape. Haven't really seen a lot of that out there, and so we kind of wanted to get into that a little bit. So stay tuned for that. And this is my opening of the Hakko products box. And so if you do get anything from Hakko, it's definitely going to be packaged very well. So I was very impressed that they actually had everything packaged a couple times, and then for 2 little tiny tips, they used a lot of bubbles. Not that it was necessary, but definitely lets you know that if you're going to order a station or anything like that from them, you'll definitely be taken care of and have a really good product arrive that's not going to be damaged, because it'll be definitely taken care of. But keep an eye out for those videos, and we'll catch you in the next one.